Welcome to Chino Crypto. I'm really excited to bring you this project. It's called Uprock AI Earnings. You share your internet and you earn passive income, free tokens of a project that's been around for a while, but they haven't launched their token yet. And so when you get in this early, you get to build up your stack. Let's get into it. So as I mentioned, you share your internet. You download the app onto your phone or your Mac computer. In this case, it's going to be Android, because Apple's coming soon and also Windows is coming soon. And you share your unused bandwidth or data that you don't use with Uprock. They turn around and sell it to companies that need this data, and they reward us with tokens and much more. And we're going to get into that. Let's look at the features. So it says that it's an AI powered project, and if you've been paying attention to crypto or just the world in general, AI is one of the hottest narratives in crypto particularly. And there's tokens that are already out, that have been out, that have already 10x'd recently. And it's crazy. You 10x your money, but that's just the beginning. We're just at the beginning of a bull cycle. And so the opportunity to make money with AI powered projects is very, very good. So basically, it's passive income. As you can see, Rocket, the dog, he's just sitting there relaxing. Once it's installed on your phone, you're earning every minute of every day of every hour, you're earning tokens. And it's pretty cool. It's one of the first programs, if not the first, to do this, particularly on mobile phone. So how do you install it? Well, you just go to the Google Play Store. My referral link, or the link, is in the description. You can go straight to the Google Play Store, download it, and then you enter my referral code, and then you just start earning tokens. It's just that simple. You set up your profile so you can make the most tokens. This video is timestamped, so you can go to the next after this video is over. I walk you through it on my Android phone. Again, you can also download it on your Mac computer, and it's the same thing. So let's go over real quickly. What is a people-powered AI DEPIN network? So basically, DEPIN stands for decentralized physical infrastructure. It's using real-world things that we use right now, such as data. By downloading the app on your phone or computer, you're contributing to the network, making it decentralized. What I love about this project is that you earn not only UPT tokens, but then after a little while, you also earn WIN tokens, which, especially if you have referrals, that's when your WIN tokens start to really start to pick up. If you don't know what WIN is a project that just launched about 2 months ago. They airdropped everyone who interacted with a project called Jupiter, which I'm gonna make another video about that. That's another great project to get into and to invest in. They airdropped about $65 worth of tokens, free tokens. That token has since gone on a run, and if you would have just held onto the tokens, you would have 5x'd your money. So that $65 would have been over $300. This is very common in crypto, and if you follow me, like and subscribe, I'll turn you on to all these projects that are going on, so you can get in early and get into the right projects. Please do your own research. This is what I'm doing, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey with you. And it also contains network incentives. You earn passive rewards for data contribution, redeemable and tradable. Let's take a look at the network. So the network is worldwide. Right now, most of the activity, as you can see, is in Africa, Asia, of course, Europe, North America, Oceania, and other. And if we look at the coverage map, this is basically where the bulk of the contributors are, the people who have downloaded to it. But we've got all of this. Their goal is to have 10 million users, and we're not even nowhere near that. We're closing in on 1 million users. As you can see, the United States doesn't have a whole lot of contributors, so it's up to you. You can contribute to the network right away. Let's take a look at the blog. The blog shows that there's partnerships that they have now, and also that they have upcoming. The great thing about partnerships is that you can earn tokens from the partners. They will also possibly airdrop you tokens as well. So I mean, it's just free money going all over the place. And this is just for interacting. They reward you for being early and interacting with projects. Last but not least, let's take a look at the tokenomics. So we see The great thing about the tokenomics is you can see here straight away 50% of the tokens will be allocated to the community. So the miners, which is what we're doing by downloading and sharing our data, we get 50% of the tokens, and of course the rest is split up against on the team, the token launch, exchanges, and so forth. And if we look at the release schedule, at the token launch, 10% is going to be immediately airdropped to your wallets, or you have to claim them. And then over 90 days, there'll be a linear drop of 90%. Of the rest of the 90% will be dropped over 90 days. So that's how that works. This is the end of this review. You can watch the next section, which I walk you through it on my Android phone. I've got other videos coming up with other free mining apps that I have on my phone that I'm earning tokens for other projects. It's just free money, just all over the place. And that's what crypto's about. We're in airdrop season. All of 2024, there's gonna be other projects that are airdropping. If you stay tuned, I'll get you up to speed to that. And also other projects that you can invest in and make life-changing money. This is your boy Chino, and I'll see you on the next one.